Hello and welcome to Weld Note. My name is Tiago Pereira and I shall guide you through our welding management software's functions in a series of videos to help you get started. First of all is our home screen. In here, you will get an overview of all the previous actions done, your usage limits in a graphic and in text. You also have short lists for welder certificates that are about to expire, alerting you for the need to either approve them in your quality department or to send them to the notified body. Use the menu on the left to navigate through the various options. It is persistent, so whenever you click any of the options, you will be able to use it all the time. You may click the hamburger button on the top if you want to hide or show this menu. The first option is the PQR, managing your company's procedure qualifications. In this first screen, you may search through the approval ranges of your documents. You must select a standard first. If you want to create a new PQR, click New to go to a new screen. Most fields already have information backing them up, so chances are you won't have to add any new welding processes, base materials, or any other variables. The second option is the welder certificates, which is the collapsible menu. Click on it to expand and view the sub-options. Active certificates list all of your welder certificates that are currently being used and not expired. You may search for their variables after selecting the appropriate standard. In this first screen, you may search through the approval ranges of your documents. If you want to create a new certificate, click New to go to a new screen. Most fields already have information backing them up, so chances are you won't have to add any new welding processes, base materials, or any other variables. Internally this month and internally 30 days are the menus for welder certificates that are expiring and require internal revalidation by your company. And internally expired is the option for all the certificates whose expiration period has passed. Externally this month and externally 30 days are the menus for welder certificates that are expiring and require external revalidation by a notified body. And externally expired is the option for all the certificates whose expiration period has passed. You may also archive your welder certificates and they will be in this last menu option. Next is the WPS option, which allows you to store your WPS's data as well as export them into an Excel format with data from the original PQR. If you click on this menu, you will be able to search through the variables after selecting a standard, and the search results will appear in the list below. Click New to add a new WPS. After saving, you may export an Excel document in this button, as well as create new revisions automatically in this button. Weld Note also allows you to store welder profiles in its database with their identification information. Weld Note also introduces an innovative feature for fabricators, the welding maps, which allow your company to verify all your qualifications for a job with just a few clicks, cross-referencing all your certificates, WPS and WPQR with the specifications of the project. Also, there is an extensive database of base materials and filler materials for you to choose which ones to use in your company. Keep track of the examining bodies that perform work in your company or qualify your own procedures and certificates, as well as your company's. Companies are relevant if your own company has multiple subsidiaries throughout the world, or if you are a consulting office or a notified body. Next is the settings, in which you can insert new elements such as a new welding process, new base materials, etc. Finally, you can view your user profile by clicking on your name on the top, and inside you can change the language displayed as well as your password. This concludes our introductory video to Weld Note. Please view the video's description for links with tutorials for specific sections of Weld Note. My name is Tiago Pereira. Thanks for watching.